today's video I'm going to unbox an outdoor shoe which I just got from Amazon. Without further ado, let's get started. So this is the package I got from Amazon. I got the knife right here, so let's get started. Unboxing is my favorite part. Sorry. Let's open. Whoa! You got a bell, which we don't need, so I'm gonna throw it away. This looks nice. Oh. This is our new shoe. The first look, this looks pretty nice. There is one more. Okay, so we have separated the two shoes and we just need to lace them. There is more shit inside the shoes. Okay, so we got two shoes. And I think this is pretty big for my foot. But I don't know, I need to try it. My size is 10, that's why I picked the size 10. So, a few things I'm gonna talk about the shoe. The sole looks really hard, which means it's gonna last longer than usual shoes. Actually, I like purely black and white colors, that's why I go for this one. There is a lot of varieties in the Amazon. Of course, there is blue, then there is pink. Right now I'm putting my socks to show you guys how the shoe looks on my legs. The shoe is really comfortable, I can feel it right now. So if you like this video, drop a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel, so I will post new videos every week or every 2 weeks. And once again, thank you for watching. See you on the next video. Bye!